Heartfelt gratitude, deepest sympathies, and profound condolence of the Sangguniang Panlalawigan on behalf of the province of Iloilo to the bereaved family of Provincial Legal Office Attorney for Edgar Claudio Octaviano Sumido. Whereas Attorney Edgar Claudio Octaviano Sumido, Attorney for the Provincial Legal Office and a native of Santa Barbara, Iloilo, went back to the bosom of his Redeemer last January 21, 2022 at the age of 61 years old. Whereas Attorney Sumido has served in the Provincial Legal Office for the past 20 years as a legal officer 3 and as an attorney 4. Whereas prior to his assumption of office in the Iloilo Provincial Government, he has also served as a regional Register of Deeds in the Land Registration Authority and Registry of Deeds from 1998 to 2002. Whereas Attorney Sumido also taught in the College of Central Philippines University and at the University of San Agustin, specifically in the following subjects: land titles and deeds, property, conflict of laws, private international law, commercial law review, and civil law review, and has deeply influenced and profound admired and loved by many students of law, being an expert practitioner and professor in various fields of law. Whereas he has represented the Iloilo Provincial Government in various administrative and civil cases since his stint in the Provincial Legal Office, and is also known as an expert court-appointed commissioner in various land registration and estate settlement cases. Whereas he has rendered support to the Sangguniang Panlalawigan as a resource person in various committee hearings and through his brilliance as reflected in his well-written and eloquently composed legal opinions. Whereas his work and dedication as a legal luminary and as a civil servant is beyond compare. Whereas, being a public servant, a law professor, and a public attorney, Attorney Edgar Claudio Sumido will always be remembered, and his memory will live on in the people that he inspired, in the lives that he improved, and in the hearts he touched. Whereas the passing away of Attorney Sumido is a great loss not only to his family, friends, colleagues, students, but also to the province of Iloilo in general. As such, it is but right that this august body condole with his bereaved family and shared with their grief.
Okay, yes, and Port Bandihar.
May I be allowed also to
Co-sponsored by Port Bandihar, Port Siliano, Port Diaz, Port Cahilig, and Port Oso. Okay? Tanan na lang. Tanan.
Tanan.
Co-sponsored by Tanan. Okay, thank you very much.
I so move,
Yes,
Your
so
Honor.
moved. Yes, second the motion. Unanimously seconded. Motion is approved.